Fort Concho is a former United States Army installation and National Historic Landmark district located in San Angelo, Texas. It was established in November 1867 at the meeting of the Concho Rivers on the routes of the Butterfield Overland Mail Route and Goodnight Loving Trail and was an active military base for the next 22 years. Fort Concho was the principal base of the 4th Cavalry from 1867 to 1875 and then the Buffalo Soldiers of the 10th Cavalry from 1875 and 1882. The troops stationed at Fort Concho participated in Ranald S. Mackenzie's 1872 campaign, the Red River War in 1874, and the Victorio Campaign of 1879-1880. The fort was abandoned in June 1889 and over the next 20 years was divided into residences and businesses, with the buildings repurposed or recycled for their materials. Efforts to preserve and restore Fort Concho began in the 1900s and resulted in the foundation of the Fort Concho Museum in 1929. The property has been owned and operated by the city of San Angelo since 1935. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.